All right off the bat, I'm not calling anybody out, but this is something that you could review and then wash after the fact and then shoot the after video. I'm gonna do this in one take. Look at the water stains and the debris on this sliding glass that I've kind of been neglecting here. I am going to be cleaning it with the Windbot from ECOVACS, but I'm gonna do it in one take here. So here we go. I'm gonna put this over here for you guys. Not my normal clean video, but I just wanted to do this in one take. So here we go. I'm gonna go out there and we're gonna start this. And it's as simple as opening this up, pulling it out, putting the wet pad on here and filling up the cleaning solution here. Then we can put it on the glass, press, and there we go. It is working and going. So I'm gonna let this run and we're gonna switch this now into a time lapse and you can see how well this thing cleans the window. So you can see this. Okay. Look at that. Little spray action, back and forth, and you can totally see how it's just lifting these stains that have been sitting here on the sliding glass window. We have pretty hard water as well, especially the rain. It practically rains dirt here in Arizona, and this is like windy, rainy. Oh man, look at that go. Okay, back to the time lapse. Okay, I ended it early there for you guys, just to show you guys that even if it does half the job, it's still better than most people cleaning their sliding glass windows. It will do horizontal and then vertical in the thorough cleaning mode. Wow, check that out, just crystal clear views now. All right, so I reviewed just about every kind of robot you can imagine. Every kind of robot you could put in a house, like robot vacuums, robot mops, robot lawnmowers, you name it. I've probably reviewed it, but this is actually my first time reviewing a window cleaning robot. In fact, after shooting this video, I'd be surprised if there are any other window cleaning robots out there that come close to the capabilities of this one right here. It's called the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI. And honestly, I didn't think I needed one of these. In fact, I had declined to review this very model right here multiple times from ECOVACS, even though I've reviewed their other robot vacuum cleaners, because I didn't really think that it would actually work. Kind of just put it off, kind of like you're doing with your window cleaning, by the way. But after using this for a few weeks, yeah, I get it now. let's start with what my windows actually look like here. So there's definitely some dirt, some pollen, some dusts and smears and streaks and stuff on it. It was like a highlight reel from, yep, that's my life, and you might be able to know what I'm talking about. And window cleaning, well, most people put that chore somewhere between later and never. In fact,
we pay our own house cleaners to do that chore for us, but that's probably about to change. Sorry guys, I know you subscribed to my channel. So what are my actual first impressions though? You just open up the case. Yes, it actually comes in a clean looking portable case. Pull out the unit, stick it onto the glass and hit the button and it goes. It just goes and starts cleaning. No ropes, no ladders, no weird suction setups you gotta do. It just plain works. Just press and walk away onto your other chores. Maybe that's relaxing, drinking an iced tea, you get the picture. As a first-time window robot user myself, this is exactly the experience I'd hoped for, but didn't actually expect it would work that easily. Once you set it up and it starts cleaning, there's just something weirdly satisfying about watching this robot go to work. You get the fine mist spray that lays down cleaning solution. Right before the pads wipe it right up, all pristine clean glass underneath. There's this smooth, confident glide as it moves across your glass. It hits corners way better than I had expected, and it handles edges like a robot that's done it many, many times before. I even tugged on the safety line a bit while I was cleaning my master bathroom glass mirror just to make sure that it was stable and wouldn't come off easily. It didn't even budge. So if you've got a small child pulling on the cable, you shouldn't have to worry about that. But here's where things get very interesting. Even though it's designed for Windows, I found out it works on way more than that. Bathroom shower glass with edges, by the way. Full-length mirrors, case in point right here. Glossy tile walls, really anything with no gaps where the suction could release from. Basically, it's a smooth vertical surface. The Windbot can probably clean it. This makes it a whole home glass maintenance tool, not just a window robot. In fact, it's done now, so I'm gonna pull it off. It's the kind of improvement you notice without thinking about it. It just feels like your home has leveled up when the Windbot has finished cleaning your glass. It gives a whole new feel to this space, more light, more views. If you've got views like we do out our windows, it's important to keep your glass clean.
All right, let's really put this to the test. I've got a very dirty window here, and I want to see how well it cleans this mess up. Wow. All right. There's your results, people. I mean, come on. View is beautiful. Glass is beautiful. Pretty sure I could not have gotten it that clean myself.
So here's my honest take after using the WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI. It solves a chore that most people ignore for months, not years. You know who you are out there. It's great after storms, during pollen season, and especially for big sliding doors like we've got. You can trust it on high windows. You never climb up to clean yourself. It actually matches manual cleaning quality. No corner cuts. There are a few spots here and there that you could probably get a little bit nitpicky about, but most people will never even notice them. You got to get at the right angle, at the right light to see it possibly. And compared to paying someone $150 plus every time to clean your glass, this pays for itself very, very quickly. Well, who would I recommend this for? Anyone with windows, scenic views, allergy issues, or just anyone who doesn't want to climb a ladder to clean glass ever again. And yeah, if you've got a cabin or a second home, this thing practically is made and begging to come out there and clean your windows. So that's the WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI, the robot category I didn't even know I needed until I tried it. And I'm so thankful to ECOVACS for sending me out this unit to demo on my home. I've got more light, more clarity, better views through my windows, sometimes the best upgrades are the ones that quietly make your space feel better every single day. You gotta check the links in the description of this video. You'll get the best prices right now on this Windbot robot cleaner. Bet you didn't know you needed one.